Hey guys, what's going on? I am so excited that you guys decided to come back by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, I've never done this before, so I'm excited to show you exactly what I bought. I didn't get much, but I did get some pretty nice items. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, here we go. The first item that I want to show you is this hacksaw. If you are a DIYer just like I am, this is a nice little tool to have in your toolkit. It's small and it helps you to cut like dowels and stuff like that you need to cut that are wood. You don't want to bring out your little jigsaw or take it to your table saw. If it's just a small little thing you need to cut. I've never used this. I don't know anybody who's ever used it. It is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm hoping that it cuts really well. But I really thought this was a really good find and I'm super excited that they had this. So when I use it, I'll be sure to let you guys know how it worked out. I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, the next item I got is this level. Guys, can you believe it? Dollar Tree has a section of tools. Like, I mean, they have pliers, they have screwdriver. I mean, it's just the list goes on. And I really thought that this was a really nice find, a level. It's going to help you if you're also a DIY. It's going to help you draw straight lines on small projects. If you need to hang something, it's going to help you. And it's only $1. $1. Okay. The next thing I got is this picture frame. Now, one thing I can say about the Dollar Tree is that they have a ton of picture frames, different sizes, different colors. I got this in gold because I really didn't plan on using the frame. I actually just need the back of it for a project that I'm trying to do. But, I mean, the frames that they have there are really nice. I mean, they're really light. I mean, they are at the Dollar Tree, but I think for the price, you can't go wrong. And they have different sizes. And like I said, they come in different colors. They had gold, silver, black. I mean, they are, if you look at the detail right there, I mean, I will buy them to put a picture in it. I don't know about you, but I would. The next thing that I got is this Hummingbird Feeder. Now, I bet you guys are wondering, why the heck did she buy that? Well, I'll tell you. I'm going to be using this for an upcoming DIY project. So, you guys should stay tuned to see what I do with this. I bought 4. So, yeah. I mean, and if you are into the whole hummingbird feeder thing, it's not bad. If you don't like the red, you can repaint it, you know, whatever color you like. But I won't be using it for that. But I thought this was a pretty cool item for what I needed it for. Okay. The next thing we have is these LED tea light candle thingy-majigs. Look at that. So, I don't know if you can see, but right here, you put this inside of a vase and it lights up. Yes. Girl, talking about setting the ambiance. I only bought 1 pack, but I am going to go back and get more because I just like the little concept behind it. I mean, it's gonna look really cute. And you know what else this would be nice for? And it says 60 hours. That's a long time. I also think if you're into doing like, if you want to do your own like DIY wedding, this will be great to put inside a vase, to put inside or to use as a centerpiece on a table. I mean, you would probably want to add a little bit more to it to make it more, you know, presentable, but I think this would not be a bad idea. These are, I like them. I like the whole idea behind it. The next thing that I have, so I don't know if you guys have heard, but if I'm not mistaken, Dollar Tree bought out Family Dollar. So from what I'm hearing, I'm not really sure about this. Do not quote me on this. They said that they're going to pick select Dollar Tree stores to house some of the Family Dollar products. So the products that are coming from Family Dollar might not be just $1. So what I saw across the internet is that it's gonna be like a sign that says dollar plus, so let you know that those items are gonna be more than $1. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I got that I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before up until now. So I got this gel. This is one of the things I've never seen. It's just a small little container, but this is something that I know I've definitely seen at the Family Dollar. You know what I'm saying? So, but this was just $1, so I'm not sure if it's part of that whole thing that's going on, but I got this gel. The next thing that I think too came from like the Family Dollar is this. You see that? These are Retinol facial masks. I got this at the Dollar General. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. So, and I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. I may be wrong, but I don't know. I've never seen these, but I'm gonna try that. I've never used these before, but I know the brand, so I'm not too scared to use it because it's the brand is really popular, and it comes with 2 in a pack. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out, but this is one of the items I got at the Dollar Tree. The next thing I got at the Dollar Tree was these cooling iPads. So these are the ones that you put in the refrigerator to keep them cold, and they're used if you're and it's how they're used is supposed to soothe out your tiredness and strained eyes. So you put them in the refrigerator, you get them cool, and then you just put them on your eyes, just like you see here in the picture, and you just chill out and you relax and let the cooling iPads do its job. Yes, I got this at the Dollar Tree, and I will be using them. I'm kind of excited about it. I don't know. I know another thing too. These will be good. Good for is maybe like if you want to create like a Mother's Day basket for next year, or like a birthday present for one of your homegirls or your girlfriends, and put this little, add this little the little cooling iPads in there. I think this would be a great gift, especially if your friend or whoever's into this type of thing. Why not? It's just $1. Another thing that I purchased too that I thought was really cool that I saw there was these. These are always usually $1, but I've never seen them at the Dollar Tree. No, and I bought a whole like box of these. Most people use these as hot oil treatments for their hair. Excuse me, I'm feeling a little under the weather. I've used these for like body oil. When I get out the shower or when I'm headed to work, I use these to oil my body with. And guys, I'm not sure, because it says, I'm not sure if you can use this for that, but I do, because it says it's for concentrated natural oil, helps strengthen hair and prevent brittleness and breakage. So it doesn't say that you can use this as a body oil, but I do. And y'all, I'm telling you, since I started using these, because they come in different, this is the coconut oil, but they come in argan oil, they come in, I can't even think of the other ones that they come in, but they come in so many, and I use them on my body, and I have really, I can really tell a difference from my skin in using these from using what I was using before. So, yes, this is something that they had at the Dollar Tree. Ain't that cool? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not hard to please, so any little thing that I find, I'm like, yes, yes, that's a good buy. Yes. I'm just kidding. But I really do think that's a good buy. The next thing that I got was these. Dun, 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 dun. These are wild art decorations, and they're in the arrow. I actually got these to do a project with, but I wasn't expecting to find this in the Dollar Tree. I don't know. But when I came across it, I was super excited because I was like, light bulb, you can use this for that. Ain't that cool? And they're pretty, they're not like cheapy. I mean, I don't know the word that you would use for it, but they seem pretty sturdy. They seem like they would last long. So I'm super excited about these. And not last but not least, I got like 3 more items, 4 more items to show y'all. I got these eyebrow pencils. I mean, these are always at the Dollar Tree, but I just think it's pretty cool to be able to get 2 for $1. And I like the way they wear. So these are pretty cool. And I got these little sponge dappers. Again, if you are a DIYer, these will be very cool for you to use. They are kind of cheapy made, but they'll get the job done. I always buy these from the Dollar Tree because you use them once and you dispose of them, and it comes 3 in a pack. And I mean, I think it's worth it. But these little sponge things, I think that's pretty cool. And then another thing that I bought is this stencil brush. Seeing everything. But anyway, I bought this stencil brush. Can you see it? Can you see it? There it is. Yes. I bought this stencil brush again for you DIYers. I think this is pretty cool. This was $1. It's a small one. The bristles on it are kind of rough, but you don't need to go out and buy a $30 brush to stencil with. I just don't think it's necessary. But to each his own. I mean, I just thought this was pretty cool. Dollar Tree. And okay, now last. I'm really excited about this last item. I don't know. I wasn't expecting to find this at the Dollar Tree. Okay, here we go. Drum roll, please. No drums? Okay. Ta-da! This Elmer's wood filler, and it says 3 times stronger on the packet, and this is a pretty decent size. Okay, like here's my hand, here is the size. See? Bam. Not including my nails, just my hand. I thought this was pretty cool. Wood filler. This is for like your projects that you need to fill wood with. Duh. But look at that. It comes in like this easy, well, they come like this anyway, but it's very easy to use. The instructions are on the back. But I just thought this was pretty cool at the Dollar Tree. And they had like a lot of these. So, of course, I bought a lot. I've never used the Elmer's brand, but I'm pretty sure, I mean, you can only try it and see how it turns out. I bought it in the natural color, but it came in multiple colors. So you can actually buy the color closer to the wood that you need to fill. Ain't that cool? I don't know. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. Again, I was super excited to do this because I've never done it before. I didn't know how it was going to go. So if you guys will, please tell me how you enjoyed this in the comments below. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you would like to see me do more hauls. Don't forget to, again, like this video, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button. That notification button will let you know anytime I upload a video, okay? Again, thank you so much for coming back by my channel. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I'm super excited to be bringing you guys these videos, and I have many, many more to come. Thank you so much again. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.